Here. In this video, I'm going to give you a very basic fundamentals on how to navigate your Bardeen account. So we're going to actually open it up, go over all the little buttons and sections, things that you see as you start up your account, just so you get a better understanding of where everything is, what it all does, and how to get started quickly. So the first thing that we will do here is we will click on our Bardeen Chrome extension. And once we do that, we'll see lots of different things going on here. But the very first being, if we start from our top and work our way down, the very first one will be this little green button here. So this lets you know how many credits that you have. So the first number is how many credits you have available out of how many credits. So this would be an important way to kind of keep track of how many credits you have left, how many you've consumed, and things like that. So right below that, you'll see a Create Playbook button. So this is a really important section. You can click on that. You'll see some pre-made playbooks here that you can walk through. Additionally, you'll find some start from a blank canvas, and then our magic box. We'll go over each of those in more detail later on, so don't get too hung up on that at the moment. But in general, this is where you'll go to create a new playbook. Right below that, you'll have an Explore button. Similar to the Create Playbook pre-built ones that you saw there, the Explore pre-built automations will give you even more options of things that you are already built out that you can start immediately. Just kind of grab the ones that are relevant to you. Right below that, you'll see Playbooks, and this is actually where you'll find playbooks that you've already stored or collected, whatever it may be. You'll have two options over here: the My Playbooks, and then something team. So in my case, I have VDR team, but you can rename this. This will be whatever is relevant to you, your company team. So your top one, which is My Playbooks, these are all the playbooks that are relevant to you specifically. So there's probably going to be a lot of things that you want to automate that is specific just to you. They're not really relevant to anyone else. You can find those playbooks here, and that's where you'll be able to run those, edit them, see them, do whatever you need to with them. Your team account here is all the different accounts inside of your team account. So say if you have a playbook that you created that you want to share with a whole lead generation or sales team, you can create it, drag it, drop it into this section, and it will actually share it with everybody on your entire team account. This is also really important as you're onboarding new employees. So rather than sharing these things manually, as soon as they onboard, they're going to have a nice little directory of different automations that they can use. Rather than teaching them an entire workflow from beginning to end, you can just say, hey, just trigger this automation, and it'll actually do it for you. Next button down here is actually our auto books. So this is where you will see different auto books that are set up, similar to our playbooks. Not to get into too much of it, but in Bardeen, you have two different types of automations. You have a playbook and an auto book. Your playbook is something that's manually triggered, and your auto book is something that's automatically triggered. And we'll go into more detail with that later on, so don't get too hung up on that as well. But those are kind of the two different distinctions here. This area is where you will find everything related to your auto books. So for continuing down here, we'll have a automation, or excuse me, activities, history, and errors section right here. So as of right now, I don't have any activity at this moment, but this is where you'll be able to go and see which playbooks you've actually run, which of them are currently in progress, and which of them currently have an error. This is a really important place to be able to keep track of all the activities that you're doing and really see what exactly you're doing. Your next one down is your notifications. This is just a general notification section. If there's anything that you need to know about Bardeen, you can find it here. Lastly, you'll find the more options. This is where you'll find some settings, community, and a few other different things as well. This is a pretty important section, just having for every type of software product, just some of your more routine things. Great. So with that, we're going to actually stop right there. You should have kind of a general understanding of what to do inside of Bardeen. As I mentioned before, there'll be a lot more videos going over more specifically like how to build auto books, how to build playbooks, how to do the custom flows. There's a lot more information that you can use to get started, but this video is really meant to just help you be able to navigate your screen right after logging in and get started quickly. Thanks, and hope that helps.